Welcome back to Aesthetica by Shemin. Friends, this is the final part of our trip to Kasim. If you have not watched the previous two parts, please follow the links in the description box, okay? In this video, I will take you through three more places to visit in Bureda. First and foremost, let's visit the deer farm. This farm is located in Oinil Java. The most surprising thing about this farm is it is a private farm which is owned by Mr. Fauzan. This is an excellent place to be with the family, and the most important thing is that we have free entry to this farm. As you can see, the main attraction here is the deer farm. You can even buy deer from here. Here the animals are very well maintained and looks very healthy also.
അടിപൊളി fresh from the farm.
This place will be opened by 6 am in the morning and will be closed by 7 pm. In addition to deer, we could also see ostriches, horses, oryx, and some sheep also in this farm. The second place we are going to visit is the Jeriti Rural Resort Farm. It is located in Bureda, that is almost 15 minutes drive from the main city. The entrance fee to this place is 5 Saudi Riyal per person. Actually, friends, when we reached this place, we were a little disappointed because the place was closed for renovation. But no problem. Nevertheless, we enjoy the scenic beauty inside. Let's see what's inside. This place is so calm and relaxing. But I'm so sorry, friends, I couldn't show the actual beauty of this place. Because this is such a happening place with lots of lights, decorations, waterfalls, and many activities such as toy train, horse riding, and camels. Everything is here. But unfortunately, this place is under maintenance. There were several things that showcase the Saudi culture and heritage. And also, this place is covered with lots and lots of trees, making this place very relaxing and cool. gonna visit the Al Salim farm. This farm is located in Al Muraidisia, Bureda. The Al Salim farm has been operating for more than 200 years.
Hmm?
Thousands of visitors from around the kingdom visit this ancient farm, which covers an area of 160 square meters. As you can see, there are many sitting areas, so the visitors can enjoy the palm trees, the livestock, mud buildings, and the wooden play area over here. One of the striking thing to highlight here is the washroom. So friends, I thought of sharing a glimpse of the washroom here. You can see it is very well maintained, hygienic and beautiful also.
The toilet is very clean with a very big mirror.
So I hope you have enjoyed watching my Bureda vlog. I'll be back soon with another vlog. Till then, stay tuned. Bye friends.